Hello everyone, in this video I will show how to set only number restriction in Excel. To add a restriction in a column, navigate to Data tab, then Data Tools section and select Data Validation drop-down menu. Click on it. Within this window, choose Settings. In the Allow drop-down menu, select Text Length, then select Equal to from below options and enter Max Length. In Error Alert tab, add message title and message you want to display, as I am displaying Max Ranged Reached, and in Message I am displaying message you have entered maximum number ranged, and click OK. You can set your own restriction you want and alert message you want. After this, you are able to understand working of data validation. This tool is very needful in daily working in Office. Now start practice to do it. My restriction is now working. You can watch it. This restriction will work as if someone entered maximum numbers of cell phone number. It will show a window saying you the message I entered during data validation. So only 11 letters will be allowed. You can set this restriction according to your demand. Subscribe my channel for more Excel video.